National Weather Service in Newport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Pitt County in eastern North Carolina, South Central Martin County in eastern North Carolina, Northwestern Beaufort County in eastern North Carolina, until 6 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near East Carolina University, or near Greenville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Washington, Winterville, River Road, House, Pactolus, Blackjack, Bunyan, Old Fort, East Carolina University, Pitt Greenville Airport, Dowdy-Ficklin Stadium, Truckawinity, Washington Park, Grimesland and Simpson. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Please send your reports of hail and/or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Beaufort, Martin, and Pitt.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio,